Hey folks, I don't know if you can see me or not because I just carried the camera out from the house and the humidity's about 1,000% out here. It has finally stopped raining. Finally, this is Thursday, June the 10th. Let's see, day before yesterday, Tuesday night, I dumped 2.5 inches out of our rain gauge, and it rained some more. There's some more in it now. I don't know how much rain we've had, but it's rained constantly for, seems like a month, and it's probably close to that. The garden is in a shambles. I've got to start today. I don't know whether to get the lawnmower or the or the tiller out. But we've got some stuff going on here that I've got to get done. We can finally get in and walk in here now. You can still hear the water in places, but everything's growing, but everything's got that yellow look to it, like it's got too much water, and we're just gonna have to battle through it and fight through it. We're gonna replant some stuff, redo some stuff, but right now we're gonna get the tomatoes staked and get them, get the cattle panels up on them, and I got some cages. We're gonna use some cages as well. Get those going, and then got a few things I'll show you. But it's gardening day. Well, it's done got hot. Heat index is about 104, so it's time for me to go in the house. But You can see there, that's how them clips are going to work. We'll get them all on the cattle panel, and we'll put the cattle panels all the way down. We got this black plastic down over here finally. That's what I've been trying to do. I'd like to do my whole garden that way, and maybe I will next year, but right now the peppers are looking good. Here's my brown beauty beans. They've got to be hoed out, but that's for my friends at Homestead Oss. They're a little yellow looking, but as much water as we've had. Got some purple hulls coming, looking good. We got to weed all this and put straw on this. We got squash. You can see we got a little squash on there. We'll be eating squash in a day or so. Sweet potatoes, same way. You can see they're growing, they're coming. Onions. Let's pull an onion. What do you say? Let's pull one of these big ones. Get my knife out here. Let's pick one out. Potatoes are ready to dig. I'm kind of waiting on that. Look right here. Y'all are going to see it first. That's a pretty fair onion right there. And I've got some, I believe, that are bigger than that, but that's the first one we pulled. And so, onions, I mean, we got a mess, but hey, we got a garden, right? It's gonna get hot now. I knew this is what would happen. We got all that rain now. We're in the steam bath. And, but hey, it is what it is. Good Lord knows what he's doing, and I trust him. You ought to too. Hey, thanks for watching. See you next time.